All right, hey guys, welcome back. So, factoring, it's fun, right? Today, we're going to talk about what happens when you have a number in front of your x squared. So, we're still going to kind of start the same way, just we're going to end it a bit different. Today's big thing is that there's two ways. So, if you don't like today's video, try tomorrow's, it might make more sense. Because on your quiz, I ask you to pick one. And I want you to stick with that method, whichever method you like better. This was okay. I'm not a huge fan of it. It's not wrong. It's just different. I personally think it's messy, but that's because I like things to be nice, neat, and organized. Some people may think this makes more sense. So, take it as you will. Not wrong. Just different. Trying something new. It'll be okay. So, that being said, what we're going to do is, this looks scary. I get it. Let's go a step at a time. So today we have a story. My story is in words down here. And I gave that to you in case you can't remember your story. So that way, when you do homework, you at least have a copy of it and you don't have to watch me and listen to it trying to get word for word what I said. So, take a breath. So, we have a nice sunny day. And on my nice sunny day, I have the multiplication between my first term and my last term, which is negative 15. Because 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. On my nice sunny day, I'm going to go home. I'm going to go hang out at home. So I draw my 2 sets of parentheses. Those are my windows in my house. My house kind of needs some blinds though, so let's put some stuff in it. In the first part of my blind will go the multiplication of the first term. So 3 and x squared. So what goes into 3? Well, 3 times 1. What goes into x squared? X and x. So that's how I get the 3x and the 1. But my blinds need a little bit more color, so I need to add some more to it. So in the rest of my blinds, we'll go what will multiply to that negative 15 and add to that middle number of negative 2. Well, off to the side, you can see I gave my lists of what multiplies to negative 15. We got 15 and 1, negative 15 and... Let's try again. We have 1 and negative 15, negative 1 and 15, negative 3 and 5, and 3 and negative 5. But we need it to add to that negative 2. So it's going to be that last answer of the 3 minus 5. So those numbers are going to be what's called my plumbing. And they're going to go down below. Doesn't matter which order. Now I need a total of 3. So anything that goes here will get divided out by what's already up here. Well, negative 5 cannot be divided by 3. So I'm not going to draw my plumbing down to him. Doesn't make sense. But 3 can be divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is plus 1. 1 divided by what's left over of that negative 5 is negative 5. So here is my answer of 3x minus 5 times 1x plus 1. Again, I get it. It's a lot. It looks like a little house when you're done. Step at a time. I'm going to move this down so I have enough room to write, because I write very large on my board. So, we have a nice, beautiful, sunshiny day. Maybe some orange here. On my nice, beautiful, sunshiny day, I have the multiplication of 2 and 4, which gives me 8. See that? Sunny day. On my nice sunny day, I'm going to go head home. When I go head home, I go and look at my blinds. They look a little bare. In my blinds, I have 2x and x. I've decided I'm going to figure out what goes in 8, but I'll add to 6. Got 1 and 8, 2 and 4. That's it. Well, I need to add to 6, so isn't my answer 2 and 4? So I'm going to write that 2 and 4 downstairs. They're going to be my Pullman. Again, no real way. No, it does not really matter there. Now, either one of these could be divided by that 2. So I could say I have 2 divided by 2. Because remember, we divided out. So it's plus 1. And then 1 divided by, because remember there's an invisible 1 with that x. Divided by 4 is, 4 divided by 1 is 4. Or, give me a quick second over here. I could take 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and 1 divided by 2, which is 2. So this one has 2 different answers. One is not more right than the other. Same idea. In the end, either way, you have a nice picture of a house. Just try another one. First steps first is what multiplies to 7 and negative 21. I need my calculator. I think it's like 147. Calculator. Hey, that was right. 147. Negative, because I have that negative 21. Okay. Got my windows. Got my 7x and x, because logically the only thing that can multiply to 7x squared is 7 times x. Okay, this is the hard part. What goes into negative 147 and it adds to 14? That's a long list. What the heck, Miss Kimmy? Hey, guys. What about 7 and negative 21? So give me 14. Some of these problems have the answer already in the first step. So when you go and multiply it out, always check those to see if that could be an option. This was another one that has potential 2 answers. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Negative 21 divided by 1 is negative 21. Oh, she ate it. That's my answer. I don't remember how many problems I gave you. All right, you've had a couple. I have faith in you. Good luck. Touch your hand to pause the video. All right, I hope you did it. Because that's all you got.